Good morning, Stowe students. This week you're going to create some images that look like this, and they're going to talk about moods and feelings. In Spanish, that is estados de ánimo y sentimientos. This one says, I am happy. I'm going to give you this list. On the left, you can see the ones that say estoy contento or contenta if you're a girl, triste, enfermo, and so on. You could use one of those 12 there, or one of the other ones on the right-hand side. They use the verb tengo. So you're going to do 5 of these. And again, it's going to look like that at the end. So the face showing the mood or feeling with the thought bubble or speech bubble. First of all, you pick the one you want to represent and take a picture of yourself doing that. Use this Windows button right up here that's in the lower left-hand side of your keyboard. Hit camera and take your picture showing that mood or feeling and save that photo. After you save it, you're going to use this website, phraseit.net, to make your image. So go up to the top on the address bar and type in phraseit.net. I'll probably write this on the board so you don't forget. Here's what it looks like. Look up here. It says phraseit.net. Click right here. Upload a photo from your device. There's the photo I uploaded. Notice it doesn't have anything else, just the photo of me. Then you click on Bubbles right here. Pick the one you want and drag it across. It's going to look like that. Notice then that there's a line right here. That's where the text goes. So I typed in estoy contento, starts with a capital letter, ends with a period. I moved it to where I wanted it. I hit preview and save. Now, for mine, I left it private. If you want to make it public, you may. You don't have to put in a download link by email. Your Des Moines Public School email accounts won't accept email from anybody outside of the system. So click on the green all right, save it button. It'll show something like this and click on download. You probably have to click on the image a couple times. Whoops. And click on download. And it'll show up, and then open it up. And you can upload this to your Padlet. Here's the website again. Phraseit.net. Phraseit.net. Phraseit.net.